Here I have OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to tap on this arrow here. Then you should select language. I'll just stay with English, then tap next. Then you have to select your region. Could be UK for me, tap continue. Then you have to agree with legal information like user agreement and privacy security, tap next. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and do this later. Then you have these Google services, which I suggest you to turn off, tap accept. Then you can set up unlock method, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you select navigation method. I suggest you to use gestures, tap next. Then you can enable these recommended features, which I don't suggest you. Tap done, and device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.